Hello friends, Adrika Bhadoria from Extra Coding YouTube channel is back again. So friends, in last video we made a program which asked price and GST percent from the user and returned GST amount and net amount as an output. In today's video we will make a program which will ask net amount and GST percent as an input from the user and return price and GST amount as an output to the user. So without wasting time, let's start the session. हम यहाँ पे सबसे पहले net amount नाम का एक variable define करेंगे. Net amount is equals to input enter net amount. ओके ये यूज़र से नेट अमाउंट इनपुट कराएगा. यहाँ पे GST परसेंट नाम का एक वेरिएबल डिफाइन करते हैं. GST परसेंट इंट इनपुट एंटर GST परसेंट. ओके अब हम यहाँ पे प्राइस नाम के वेरिएबल डिफाइन करते हैं. प्राइस इक्वल्स टू नेट अमाउंट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 डिवाइड बाय 100 प्लस GST percent. Okay, this is the formula to find out price if net amount and GST percent is given. Okay, now we will print f string price is price. Okay, now we will make a variable GST amount which is equals to net amount minus price. Okay, now we will print f string GST is GST amount. Okay, let's execute our program. Enter the net amount. For example, our net amount is 1050 rupees and GST percent is 5%. Price is 1000 rupees and GST is 50 rupees. Let's execute it again. Let's give net amount to be 550 rupees and GST percent to be 10%. Price is 500 rupees and GST is 50 rupees. So I hope guys that this video helped you in making a program which can find price and GST amount if net amount is given. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session. See you soon in the next video guys.